Express garage door services. Attention during this weather change. With changing temperatures, garage doors may experience unexpected problems. If your garage door has issues such as broken springs, cables off track or out of place, garage door opener or motor failure, don't wait until the problem gets worse. Call Express Garage Door Services today. We have technicians with over 30 years of experience. Professional service with guaranteed work. Warranties from 5 years up to a lifetime. Affordable and fair prices. ExpressDoors.net. Your safety and peace of mind are our priority.